Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials and immediate actions. Polish your headline and list 2 to 3 concrete skills that match internships. Once done, upload one resume and link your portfolio or GitHub so hiring managers see real work. Make sure to enable the Open to Work toggle and set job type to internship. Then follow 10 targeted startups to activate their recommendations algorithm. This gets you visible quickly and puts you where recruiters look first. Now execute the middle steps with precision. Craft a tailored one-paragraph intro that mentions a specific product or recent update so you stand out. Then complete screening questions thoroughly and attach short, role-specific project examples. 1 or 2 artifacts beat vague claims. Once you build momentum, prioritize startups by your interest and their historical response rate, and limit to 5 focused applications a day. This creates steady waves of replies instead of scattered, ignored submissions. Finish by nailing interviews and knowing one troubleshooting move. Rehearse 3 concise stories using challenge, action, outcome, and quantify results when possible. Once interviews are scheduled, send a short confirmation note and prep role-specific questions. Then follow up 3 to 5 days after applying with a polite, specific message if you hear nothing. If replies remain low, refresh your profile, add new project evidence, and temporarily broaden location or role filters to increase matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.